Good morning, people of YouTube. It's race day, Ty.
So lit, bro. So lit.
It's race day. Morning, YouTube fam. It's 6:30 a.m. and we woke up to the storm we've been waiting for. It's windy. There's thunder. So lit. Race day. Yep. Oh yeah. Go time. Gotta wait for the best number of the day. It's coming.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
At least the lightning stopped.
People never dreaming in the rain.
Do a little tire change up. Go with paddle tire for the rear. Thanks, Dunlop. All right, YouTube fam, we got the bike all ready. We had to stuff foam and screen material everywhere to keep the mud out, but I'll show you what we did. It's all covered up so mud can't clog up the radiators. It's completely full of foam, and put foam behind the brake lever so it doesn't pack up behind there. And then also on the shift lever side too, want to pack the foam up in there, up inside the electronics and underneath the gas tank on there. I can show you better on this side. And then we have foam packed all up in here, keep the mud from packing up in there when we switch to that Dunlop paddle tire, which is a little on the skinny side in my opinion, but should work good. Girls, we have a problem. For a minute there, we thought it was gonna lighten up. Well, we were wrong. It's bad. Ready to go, Ty? Woo! Let's do this, boy. This is as clean as you're gonna see the bike. It's beautiful, at least. All right, boys and girls. So I got extra pair of goggles in my jacket. I got extra goggles in my backpack. The bike's pretty foamed up and ready. I don't know how much of practice I'm going to be able to get because it's raining and it's muddy, but I'll try, guys. I'll try.
Guys, I mean, how nerve-wracking is it to really prep this bike, knowing that, hey, we're going to take on water, we're going to take on a lot of weight.
That's what Mathis's toolbox looked like every day. And we saw how fast he was going, so that was a quick lap time. This is interesting. They're doing a little hula dance. I can't believe how this
feet are getting stuck.
They'll have the maximum amount of time to prep their bike.
Chad Reed knows what's up.
Overall, so that means the top 10 times combined in 250 class came out of that first unseeded practice. So congratulations to Hunter Sales and all of those guys for getting into the mix. Joey Savacci's best time could only get 11.
Yeah, hey, Jimmy, woke up
Look
just a week ago in his 450 class with Blake Baggett. That second moto where he was coming through the pack, just needed a little more time.
They're down a solid time.
Here we go.
The teammates
We only have one chance to qualify. There's no consolation race, so you qualify or you don't. There's no second chances here. They usually do 2 groups of qualifiers, and then you have 2 motos to qualify. They're only doing 1 race per group. So this is it. This is to get in the main or not. We're either done or we're going to the big show. But either way, guys, I got my work cut out for me after this moto.
To be our fast qualifier and to have that pole position. As Rob mentioned, that did happen in 2011 in the back here. Let these guys take off a minute and hopefully get a little bit of clear track for himself.
We'll keep our eye on the Maple Leaf, but Tyler Medaglia, the 555, savored some victory up north of the border already this year, down here mixing it up with the best in the Lucas Oil Series. He rides the 555 Kawasaki, so we'll keep our eye on him as he's down there. Understand from some of the folks that come from north of the border, a very accomplished mud rider.
Wind picking up just a little bit, and as we get our A450 riders prepared to get out there on the course for the first time, things looking just a little bit dark off to the west of the course. Again, want to remind everybody, a great opportunity right now during these time practices. Go see the vendors on Vendors Row. Check out all the great things we have to eat up there. Go up and get your favorite.
Here comes the rain. Here we go. This is just practice, guys.
What are you talking? A little bit of silence here as we wait to see how this one's going to be.
Let's go, Tyler. Let's go. A lot of guys are pulling off. Tyler's off. We're in 30th. Sitting pretty good in 30 right now. We want to save the bike.
And again, for the mechanics, take up the gearbox, take up the electricals, move forward wherever you can.
4 minutes left. Track is getting slow.
Especially now in 2018, these bikes have more electronics than they ever have before in the year. Bill Nicoletti, a real favorite along the industry. He really appreciated his dry, somewhat cranky sense of humor, but you know that down beneath, he's just a guy that's putting it all on the line. Jason Anderson, Chad Reed's out there.
This guy.
7th quickest Kyle
This
Cunningham.
guy.
Benny Bloss now.
Tyler went down and he's stuck. Bummer.
in the motocross, I should say. Maybe the last time you see him out there, the 22. So keep an eye out for Chad Reed right now. He's about a half a lap to go in his motocross career, or so he says. And Tomac the same, half a lap to go before he clinches his title.
This is all that's lining up for the 125 All-Star race, and I can tell you right now there's not going to be a lot of finishers. That's a wrap, but I got to show you first what I got to clean. Fast forward a little bit. All right, YouTube fam, what's up? So I am back in sunny California, and sorry for the little fast forward there, but the day got ended abruptly right after filming. I noticed Tyler didn't come by on the last lap. And Lars, mechanic for Team Honda, comes over to me and says, Tyler's off the track, the bike won't start. So I immediately, you can't run anywhere around that track, it was so soupy. So I made my way back to the pits, and Tyler still wasn't there. But not a minute later, here comes a quad towing Tyler behind it, and the bike is just totally done, kaput. So unfortunately it's gonna need a whole rebuild now, top, bottom, everything. So that was the backup bike, and now it's also needing a rebuild. So he's got two bikes that don't work. So yay. Anyways, YouTube fam, I'm back at home now. I'm all rested up, and I gotta say thank you to every single one of you guys for sticking through that episode. I know it's kind of patchy. There was a lot of like racing and a lot of cleaning, and I was constantly soaked and muddy, and I couldn't bring my camera with me everywhere because the camera would get destroyed. So I kind of had to be very choosy about when I was going to pull out the camera. But anyways, guys, from the shop, garage, whatever, this is Clint Lund with Lund MX. Love every single one of you guys. I will talk to you soon. That's a promise. Got a lot going on. So stay tuned. Peace out.